actually SHing herself. Just, I mean, in the worst way you could ever do it. No. She definitely is. I'm gonna tell you now, she's an upper. But she also likes her anxiety meds. So I guess she likes both. It is. It is. She don't have friends. You know, like good friends. Sober friends. What's up, honey? Someone to kind of... No. Someone to kind of be that backbone. You know what I mean? Now, I'm going to tell you now, if Kim, you're welcome, if Kim actually, she said, it's alright, it's okay, thank you for telling me though, thank you. Someone else told me about it too, not just you, someone else, it's alright. Lisa, I'm taking up space in there. Oh. Hey. I really do pray for her though, man. Okay, so I heard, you know, I was told that Kim is on drugs. I don't know. Now if Kim was sober, you think Kim could actually have a shot of getting Lisa, you know, 'cause she seems to really care for Lisa, I think. I could be wrong. They seem pretty tight. Pretty tight. They seem pretty tight. Man. I'm going to tell you now, that baby girl just needs out of Pennsylvania. I mean, let's be real with it. She needs a whole new scenery, a whole new everything. She just needs out of PA. That's the only way I ever see that happening. I mean, yeah. A whole new start, whole new atmosphere. I know. Oh. Yeah, but now come on, let's, in reality, think about it. Every parent is different. No parent is the same. Sorry. But they're disabled. They got their own health problems, blah, blah, blah. They're not going to want to see their baby on the street, especially knowing she's sick. You know? Especially... knowing your child is sick into an addiction, you know, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think I could do it. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't be able to throw my kid out, or, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Every parent is different. Every parent is different. Yeah. Y'all, I love you. Don't worry, it's alright. That felt good. No, just kidding. What the fuck was that? What just happened? What the... Oh, that was Henny. Well, super what? I am on What do you mean? Okay, so what do you mean, like, parents enabling? By having the child living with them? That's not enabling. That's a parent that strongly, loves her child. Or they love their child, you know what I mean? I mean, that's like them, because, Ronnie, she, has mentioned, she's been clean. Her parents didn't, kick her to the curb. I don't see why they would LR. Oh! Sorry, guys. That's the tacos. Hey, Sarah! Step is over here passing gas. Oh my goodness, can't take Step anywhere. Mom. I just called you Mom. Mom! Yeah, I got some loose tiles, y'all. I got some loose tiles. I gotta adjust them every now and then. Do you know they didn't come to do my pilot yet? Yeah. I got a bunch of frogs that are under the thing, so they tend to squeak every now and then. Oh no, is it cold there? Huh? How do you know if it's cold here? Oh, no, well, this little fireplace thing. I keep pushing this in, but I don't want to. My life matters, man. I'm not trying to mess something up. They better come out here and light this mother. Yep. But I did a lot today, you guys. I did. It may not seem like it, but I really did. The house really clean, apartment, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Did my room. Oh boy. And it is snowing. Oh yeah, you want to see? Ready? Who sent the snow here? Here. Who sent it? Oh boy, the roads are full. All right, here we go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh shit. And then that's all my paperwork. Important paperwork. Tell me I don't keep shit. Yep. All paperwork, baby. This is a mama that's on it. On it, baby. Wonderful this evening. Jonesy! She said, I see you, baby. How'd you see her? She commented? How'd you... She seen you before I did. Hey. It's Lori Jones. Well, good thing you haven't been here because Sarah and Steph have been shitting themselves. Can't take them anywhere. Yeah, real bad. Oh, yeah, they she said left and right. Okay, I'll forgive you. I'll forgive you. I'll forgive you, Sarah. Oh, damn, now the dogs are shitting. Whoo, I know that ain't my ass. No cap. No cap. No cap. No cap. I had the dogs in the snow, but the little one don't like it. It's alright, though. Eventually, you know. It's something in the air. My belly has been... Have you ate? Did you eat? Oh. You don't get snow. No, she did not, and we don't talk about anything like that or pride or yeah. We just talk about me or you. I can't believe they said. Oh, you're good, B. I can't believe they said my dog was obese, though. She is not. Mercedes. Shush, I'm gonna get you. Oh. Ice. You know, black ice is the worst ice. Yeah. Yo. Jonesy, the more and more I watch that, do you not know how many times she snipped in that video? Do you know how many times her jaw... Yeah. Can we talk about that? We won't talk about that, though. Oh, it's somebody on the app. I don't know them personally. I don't know them personally. Damn, that's just good. That's probably what's making me gassy right there. No, it's the tacos. Oh. Mercedes. Yes, I'll tell you what she said when I get off. So we're gonna do a live with Nana Cat on the 18th. Okay, we are? That is correct. That is correct. Yes, the 18th, y'all. Did we ever decide what time? Alright, so everybody on the 18th, please come in the chat. Even if you don't want to see me, come see Nana. Alright, what's up, Henny? You guys. Oh yeah, the rugs are hitting real hard, baby. Are you mad that I didn't share with you? I'm sorry. Maybe next time. I did. Henny is the Henny and the hizzy. I thought you said Henny is the hizzy. Period. I'm rugging on TikTok. I'm changing my name. I'm rugging. Check my resources. I got the connect. Oh, step. Look, y'all done pissed mama off now. She coming. Oh, shit. Y'all done pissed her off now. Whoa. I did. I was about half tempted to send that video to her. Just saying. Tell them you don't share good with the other kids. So I guess I am on Suboxone. So now I don't have to get rug screened in every other month now because I always, am good, Oh, really? Oh, don't dare me because I will. I will. Trust me. So, okay, now that you said that. So, my kids' dad, not their biological father. He said I wouldn't bite his... Yes, I am Lisa Jr. Don't forget it, baby. Thank you. She is a queen. You know it, and don't forget it. But anyway, so, where was I? What was I saying? Oh, yeah. So he dared me that I would not bite the sausage. Yeah. Wrong freaking thing to do. At that time, I had them choppers. Huh? Oh. Well, I broke skin. So we had to go to the ER. And tried lying to them, the both of us, saying that he zipped it. Oh, I'm sending it. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely sending it. No cap on God, I'm sending it. Promise. I promise. No cap on God, I'm sending it. I'm telling you, I was going to, but I didn't want nobody getting mad. But now you dared me. I'm doing it. Oh, I definitely will. I'll send that shit to you. So, okay. So, the lady says, you zipped it. Well, there's teeth mark. All I could do was laugh. I said, look, so I had to explain. Look, he dared me, and I did it, and bam. Wonder if he's got a scar. That's not funny. God forgive me. That was not nice. Don't you dare me. So, I mean, he wasn't mad. Well, at the moment, he was mad. Oh, I was every name in the book. Every name in the book. So I was called, a Lorena Bobbitt. I said, no, I'm a Lori Bobbitt. But all right. I'm sorry. Ooh, I'll never do it again, you guys. I promise, I'll never do it again. It won't. So don't dare. Well, it depends, what it is, though. What it is. If it's, I mean, come on now. Yeah. It depends what it is. That's, yeah, don't tell me. Bam! Oh. Oh, damn. You dare me to... Pop, lock, drop. And I'll do the clam. Oh! You guys. Oh, gosh. I'm trying to do the clam slam still. I'm having no luck. Oh, my gosh. And I watched a video how she did it. She said, you take your legs, and this was, you take your legs, something like this. Oh, God, you guys. Oh, hell. there ain't no way. Oh. Oh. You guys. Ah. I'm sorry. Damn, man. That hurts to, you know, that bone right by your, you know, get your gratter. Ooh. That is good exercise, though. But it does hurt. Oh, boy. I'm slowly going down. Oh, you guys. Right here, this. It hurts this. This part right here. Oh, it fucking hurts. But if you... Oh. There ain't no way, you guys. Alright, let's see if we can try it this way. You guys, we're gonna keep trying, don't worry. You guys. I give. I give. Yeah, what Steph said, baby. That part. It's alright. It's alright, you guys. We're gonna have to work these muscles to be able to do a clam slam. Come on, Lori, you can do it. Stretch it. Mama! We're trying to do a clam slam. Well, look. I'm 102 trying to do a clam slam. So, I gotta stretch these muscles that, oh shit. Yeah, there ain't no way, man. There ain't no way. Ma'am, she's doing it again. Look, I gotta stretch this out. If she can do it, I can do it. There's no way. I am 102. Alright, 103. Damn it. Oh, I gotta stretch these muscles out. There's no way. We gotta... Oh. Oh, never mind. We'll keep the legs closed. But that does feel good. Putting my legs like that, though. Damn, where are all these trolleys coming from? She said stop and I'm fixing to me. Alright, let's garden together here, you guys. Alright. Hello, Cindy. Your mama house? Yes, this is my mama house. It is. Yo! What is going on? Alright, you guys. Blinky. How about a winky? How big of a sausage do you eat? Bite size. Lola, you find that funny, baby? Huh? Never heard of it. A blinky. Have you guys? Blinker. Like on a car? What does that got to do with gardening? You know? Yeah. That is. It is. It is, you guys. It's for educational purposes. TikTok Shop sells it. Make it blink. It's blinking. Great, now it needs charge, but that's already got the other one. Thanks a lot! Oh, wait. What did I just do? Oh, no, he did that. Or she. That's right. Yeah, you just made me do that. Why did I do that? What's happening? That's for Sarah. It's for Sarah. Oh! Oh, damn, it's a little smoky. Hold on, I'll find you guys. No. Oh, okay. Brandy. Well, no, that's personal, so never mind. A blinker. You must be young. Well, okay. Yeah. Good. I'm doing good. Besides the roof of my mouth hurting, but it's alright. It's probably from running my mouth too much. It's from the other day, throwing up. Oh! Let me try, hold on. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Missy, you know, oh! My throat could be hurting, or not throat, but, oh. Oh, I need a break now. Oh, now I need to retire. Well, thank you for teaching me the blinker. That was very nice of you. As I about lost a lung. Oh, God. Don't worry, you guys. Oh, gosh. Your guys' fault. Your fault. Andrea, you're gagging. Andrea, what's going on? Why are you gagging? Who did it? I'll get him. Yo, you know who I haven't seen is Naked Butterfly. I wonder how she's doing. You guys want to... Yeah, I seen that. Look, you guys want to... I'm just going to show real quick. Look at this. Isn't that the cutest? Oh, don't you move. Oh, Lord. There she goes, getting excited. Oh, and she moved. Oh, great. Now this. Can you lay back down? Fuck. She gets up, and now look. Great job. Great, Pride. Maybe she was thirsty. It's alright, you're not in trouble, Pride. You're allowed to move. We're not, mean to animals, people. The people with millions of dogs and want to do freaking, oh, Lord, don't get me going. Lori, be quiet. It's Jalen's. Hey, oh, shit. Bathroom. Ow. She does good. Let me know when she's got to go out. But she just drank. Now she's running into Faye's room. Fuck. And she's drinking more. We got this. When oh, shit. I went to the vet. When? 2 days ago? Wait, not yesterday. Day before? Day before yesterday? Come here, you little snot nose. Let's get you outside. Come on, Pride. We're gonna take her out. We gotta get her. Don't you chew on me. Oh, her puppy breath stinks. It's very strong. Come on, princess. Good girl. Here, let's turn the light on. She's gonna shiver. She does not like it outside. But baby, you can't pee in here. Look. Oh, you hiding? Look. Oh, who you worrying about? I know you feel that cold already. They need to put a door there. Because as soon as you get to like right here, man, you could feel the whole outside. Yeah, she does. She claimed my youngest. But, oh my boy. Yeah, she, go on the porch. Here, little mama. You go up. Oh, the plow truck. Oh, you don't want, she don't want down. Come on, baby, you gotta try to pee. Try to pee, please. You can pee right there, go ahead. Go ahead. She says, hell no. Come on. Oh, Pride's licking her. She's alright, Pride. She don't like the cold. Alright. And what are you doing? Sitting on the ground? Alright, use your little pad, I guess. Come use your pad. Her tail's all tucked in. Oh, come here. Come here. Alright. Look. Oh shit, you did pee. Good girl. Good girl. Her pee's so little. Oh, good girl. It looked like you were sitting. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Good girl. You were sitting. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Good girl. Good girl. Damn, it is snowing. Hey, clean them roads, please. Thank you for your service. She peed. Good job. Ooh, now you're trying to hide and keep warm. Hey, keep me warm. I'm freezing. I'm not going to take the robe off because I don't have a bra on. And I know I got headlights like a motherfucker right now. Oh gosh, it's freaking cold. It's alright, you're inside. Good girl, I'm so proud of you. Good girl, Pride, even though you didn't do nothing but sit on the damn ground. On the snow at that. Come here. No, you're not outside. Oh, excuse me. You're not outside. There you go. Alright, come lay with her, please. She needs warmth. Good girl. She gonna lay down. Oh, now you want to play. Alright, whatever, play. It's still snowing. Oh, you think it's funny, Sarah, huh? Sarah, you think it's funny, huh? Oh, thank you. Let her lay with you, baby. What are you wanting? Here, play with the little rope. Looky. Here. Get that rope. Give it to me. She likes this little rope. She wants to play with you, Pride. Play tug of war with her. Aw, she wants to chew on you, Pride. Look at this little thing. And then you got Pride over here. Look at Pride. Watch Pride. Hold on real quick. Pride will swat her. Watch. You gotta play tug of war with her. Oh. She get in your ear. Look, watch, watch. She just pushed her. Did she push you? She don't do it hard, though. That's cute. No. Nope. I don't know what's going on with Pride. I just know they said she's obese. And that hurts my feelings. That hurts my feelings. How much is she supposed to weigh? I didn't know she came with instructions. So for me to find out, like, if she's pregnant, good girl, Pride, pregnant is ultrasound. And that, yeah, there was... So I was able to get a checkup thanks to my caseworker. She pulled some strings. Woohoo! Yeah, so that's what happened. Yeah, I'm not holding you, babe. She hears her whine and she whines. What the fuck? There you go. Play with it. Oh, Lord. Somebody save me. I think I'm gonna take a nice hot shower. Oh, and I'll rest in bed. I do too. The only one I don't like is the one where you go to God if you need a favor. I forgot how it goes. That's how that I don't like that one. Anything else, I love it. The addiction one, that one I love. One where it's he states, go to God if you need a favor. No, you should go to God for everything. Literally everything. Not just for a favor. Yeah, that's the only one he sings it good, don't get me wrong. His voice is amazing. Just that song. I feel like, I don't know, you go to God for everything and anything. Oh, yeah. Well, that's or Jace. Yeah, he does. He really does. That's Jalen's dog. And I'm left with it. But it's okay. Mother's for her. Well, and fathers. There are some good dads out there, man. They really are. Single, and Pride wants to play with her. I know, she real little. Hey, she wants to play with you. Go play. You wanted to play with her, now play. Pride said, look. Pride's whining. She really wants to play with her. What do you want? What are you whining for? Do you need to go out? I just had you out when you were sitting. That's it. Hold on. That really is cute. Now, what is going on? I'm not walking in the snow, Pride. You gotta be twisted by it. Now, you don't have to bring her down because otherwise she's gonna fall down them stairs. Come here. No, not you, Pride. Her. Look, we're going right now. Relax. Oh, boy. Here we go. Come here, you little tater tot. Yep. She's one. Thank you, you guys. They both whine to let me know when they gotta go potty. But I noticed she whines a little more now. I think because she whines. I don't know. Wish I knew dog language. I cannot go in the snow with you. Alright. Wherever you are. Damn, push me out the way. Now this light ain't even working out here, bro. Oh, they never friggin' put a light bulb in. Look at what they did. They put a new thing, but no light bulb. Alright, go potty, come on. Ouch. Alright. Let's sit you right here. Oh, no, you don't want down. Alright, whatever, relax, chill. Go, Pride. Go potty. Oh, God. There we go. I have to at least come to the stair. And she'll potty, and there she goes. Good girl. I know you're cold, but I can't have you fall down them stairs. That'd be, whew. You'd be going, bloop, 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 bloop. I can't believe they did that shit. That's right, I got a light bulb. Now, they better do these stairs. That's a hazard. We can fall. Right? Don't they have to do that? Goodness. Or is that... Yeah, I don't own this. I don't, Oh, shit, I need to turn it off. It is on. There's no light bulb. I would think so. That, me too, because I don't own it. These mugs is trying to charge me money just to... Because they had to come do my damn toilet. And they had to go to Ace Hardware to get a longer snake. My caseworker is going to handle that, though. She's definitely handling that. She said, yeah, no. What? She said nothing came out, and... Exactly. That... She's gonna... Yeah, they're that way. But I love this place. I love this place. Oh, okay, okay. You be safe, honey. There. Ugh. Oh, well, thank you, Skylar. Thank you. I think I'm gonna hop in the shower, though. Take a nice shower. And get in my feet pajamas. Since it's... I mean, it feels good up here. Really does. They keep their heat. Are you LGBT? Oh, yeah, baby. I love me some females now. Males, they are great. They're just amazing. Let me tell you about it. I'm just kidding. There are some good guys out there. I just, yeah. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good, babe. These were my sisters. I'm wearing these tonight. That's what I'm wearing. Oh, you're A-okay, sweetie. You are A-okay. Nothing wrong with asking. And look at the feety part. We're wearing these tonight, baby. Oh, yeah. Alright. Leia, what are you going to do when I get in the shower? You're going to whine and panic? The only thing I don't like is I have to keep pulling them down just to use the bathroom. Damn. I do got a pair of pee pajamas, though. The bottom... I do, Skylar. That the bottom, you just unbutton the butt part, and you can shit and piss. Quit whining, everything's under control. I mean, maybe not like how I used to, only because I try not to deal with the not so good people on here, you know. Oh, damn, it's warm in here. Alright. Probably lay in front of the tub. You know what I'm getting ready to do. Oh, that feel good as boo. Aww. Do you have haters? Oh, yeah. We all got haters. Well, can't say all. If you ain't got haters, you ain't doing something right. But yes, I sure do, honey. But it's okay. I ain't mad. I must have done something right somewhere. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So I look at that. If they only knew what... I'm gonna have that shit hit the roof of my mouth, the water. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'll try to come back on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I will try to come back on, you guys. I'm gonna take a shower, though. After going outside. Yeah, that shower's gonna feel good. I'm ready to... I'm gonna sleep for hours. Not hours, but... Alright, you guys. I will talk to you later. Be safe. Sorry. Again, I'll try to be back on. I'll text you real quick, Sarah.